A new armed group's threatening to launch a violent campaign for the reunification of Somalia. The group's known as SSC, the initials of the regions that they say they'll liberate. They're on the borders of the breakaway regions of Somaliland and Puntland. Mohammed Adder has this exclusive report from the SSC stronghold of Buhudle.
Deep in the forests of northern Somalia, the war-torn country's newest militia group freely roams, adding on to the existing chaos. The Sol, Sanag and Ain rebels, also known as SSC, took up arms a few months ago. They say they are fighting for the liberation of the Sol, Sanag and Ain regions, currently disputed over and partly controlled by both the breakaway Somaliland Republic and the semi-autonomous region of Puntland in northeast Somalia. God willing, we shall be victorious against the forces that have invaded our land, one of the commanders tells his militiamen. This is just one of several front lines of a conflict these militias are involved in with forces from Somaliland. They are also feuding with the semi-autonomous region of Puntland. They say they want the areas they inhabit governed under a united Somalia.
The ultimate goal is to make this territory peaceful, prosperity and self-autonomy, and to seek Somali unity. That's our last goal.
The SSC is mainly made up of young men hastily gathered together to fight for the clan. Discipline is an ongoing problem for the ragtag force. At Bohodla town, one of the main bases of the SSC, commanders brief traditional elders, the backbone of the clan struggle. These men have been vital in not only the formation of the group, but also in ensuring the militias get much needed financial support to sustain their resistance.
Our patience has run out. We have told both Somaliland and Puntland to respect our resolve. If they fail, we shall force them to do so.
Somaliland officials, however, dismiss the SSC as ineffective. They say their threats and claims of victory are hollow. Bashir Ahmed Farah is Somaliland's deputy parliamentary speaker. He hails from the disputed regions.
They cannot claim victory when they have no control over any of the major towns. But I feel conflict is not the best way to resolve the issues in Sul and Sanag. Dialogue is the only way forward.
And back at the front line, the militiamen take time off to entertain themselves. They dance to traditional songs, yet they clutch their weapons firmly. They know they could have their opponents upon them any minute. Theirs is a resolve not to let their adversaries have the last dance. Mohammed Aljasiira, Buhudle.